All right, sweet. So we're back with another video today. It's going to be a pretty quick one. Just going over the rest of the games that I did get from that trade from the last video. Just want to show you guys what I got, and then we can start getting these put up on eBay, see if we can start making some money and get some real flips going. Give me just one second. All right, so we did get two different piles of games. I'll go through them real quick with you guys. Let me know what you guys think, which one's the best. Smash Court Tennis, never even heard of it. Karaoke Revolution, Soul Calibur 2, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, that's pretty sick. PlayStation 2, Metal Gear Solid 2, classic game. Burnout Dominator, never played that. Sly 2, used to play this game a ton. Star Wars Battlefront, sweet game. We have Mario Kart for the Wii, Modern Warfare for the Wii, Monster 4x4 World Circuit, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, Lord of the Rings, SmackDown vs. Raw. I used to play this a ton as well. Looks like we got Stuntman as well. Coming to the next pile. Jeez, there's a glare. March Madness 2002, Star Wars Episode 3, SmackDown vs. Raw again. I think that's the same one, yeah. The Force Unleashed, it looks like this is a Blockbuster copy, that's funny. Sudoku, MX World Tour, Conflict, never played that. A Scooby-Doo game, nice. Gears of War 2, another classic. I don't know what this is. Oh, Kinect Adventures, I remember Kinect, jeez. AC/DC Live, Mass Effect 3, Gears of War 2, and Grand Theft Auto 5, and then Need for Speed The Run. So I got these plus all the other games that I showed in the last video. Again, let me know what your guys' favorites are, and I'll start getting these posted, let you know the profits, and then once we get more stuff, I'll keep you posted on that as well. Sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to comment what your favorite game out of the piles were.